In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a QR code in the Gamma app quickly and easily. This is a really useful feature if you want to share a website, document, form, event link, or any other important information in a clean, scannable format inside your Gamma presentation or page. If you've been looking for a simple way to make your Gamma project more interactive, this guide is for you. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open the Gamma project where you want to add the QR code. You want to make sure you're working inside the correct presentation, document, or page before you add anything. Once your project is open, look for the card or section where you want the QR code to appear. Gamma is built around cards, so placing it in the right spot is important for keeping your layout neat and organized. Next, click directly inside the card where you want the QR code to be inserted. This tells Gamma exactly where you want the new content to go. After that, look for the plus button or the insert option. This is usually what you use to add new content, blocks, media, or interactive elements into the card. Now, when the insert menu appears, choose QR code if Gamma shows that option. Depending on your version of Gamma, the QR code option may appear directly in the menu, or you may need to search for it using the insert tools. Once you select it, Gamma will open the QR code setup area where you can customize what the code should point to. At this step, paste the link or text you want inside the QR code. This could be a website, a landing page, a YouTube video, a Google form, a PDF, a contact page, or any other destination you want people to access by scanning the code. Make sure the link is correct before you continue, because the QR code will send people straight to that destination. After you've entered the content, insert the QR code into the card. Gamma will generate it automatically and place it into your layout. Once it appears, take a moment to check how it looks on the page. If it feels too large or too small, you can resize it to better fit your design. You can also move it around within the card if you want a cleaner arrangement. This is especially helpful if you're creating a business presentation, a classroom handout, a product page, or even a portfolio in Gamma. A QR code makes it easier for viewers to take action without typing out a long link manually. It keeps your content modern, simple, and more interactive. If you want the cleanest result, make sure the QR code has enough space around it and is easy to scan. Avoid placing it too close to other text or images, and always test it if possible to confirm it opens the right link. A quick scan check can save you from sharing the wrong destination later. And that's it! You've now added a QR code in the Gamma app. As you can see, it only takes a few steps to insert, customize, and position it inside your project. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more Gamma tutorials, app guides, and easy tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.